Today we're going to be working on how to solve proportions. Before we learn how to solve them, we need to know what they are. So over here, in this part of the screen, you will see a proportion. X divided by 12 is equal to 4 divided by 8. Sometimes you would say X is to 12 as 4 is to 8. But the bottom line is that a proportion is two fractions that are equal to each other. You'll notice here that the x is a missing number, and we're going to learn how to find the value of that x. That's what we mean by solving proportions. Well, you don't have to be special to know how to do these, but the first rule is this: the cross products of proportions are equal. What I mean by that is the numerator of one times the denominator of the other is the same going both ways. For example, in this, we have 8 times 3 is 24, and we have 4 times 6 is 24. That shows us that 8 times 3 equals 4 times 6. 24 is equal to 24. In order to solve proportions, we're going to first box cancel and then write out our cross products. Now, by box cancel, I mean you can cancel up and down on both sides, the numerator and the denominator, or you can go side to side, numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. It's just like reducing fractions, except we do not go diagonally. Looking at this example, you can see you have a 10 and a 50, and you also have 4 and 10. We're going to start by going from denominator to denominator. We're going to divide both of them by 10. 10 divided by 10 is 1. 50 divided by 10 is 5. Now at this point you can see there's nothing left to box cancel. So now we are going to write our cross products. Starting here, we're going to go 1 times x is x, and 5 times 4 is 20. So that's our solution. 4 over 10 equals 20 over 50. Now let's try this example. 10 is to 15 as x is to 12. When I look at that, I see a 10 and a 15, and I see a 15 and a 12. We could probably go both directions. But I think for our sake, we should think about the 10 and the 15. Both of those are divisible by 5, so 10 divided by 5 is 2. 15 divided by 5 is 3. But look, we have a 3 and a 12 now. So we can go side to side. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So now we have done the first step, which is box canceling. And now to solve it and finish it off, we're going to do our cross products. Our cross products are 1 times x and 4 times 2. So our final answer is x is equal to 8. Now it's your turn. Solve this equation. Remember to first box cancel, then find your cross products and solve for n. You may do so now. All right, I see various ways to box cancel. You can divide the 12 and the 18 by 6, which I'm going to do. That gives me 12 divided by 6 is 2. 18 divided by 6 is 3. I can also go 2 and 16. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So now my cross products are 1 times n and 8 times 3. So n is equal to 24. Well, thanks for listening to the video. The Eiffel Tower and I say, have a great night.